Summertime is one of my favorite times because I'm a field biologist. My laboratory is outside, and I like to get my students outside where things are spontaneous, where they think they never know what they're going to find, and sometimes I don't either, but I've got great expectations, so I can steer them in various directions. I'm trained as a vertebrate zoologist, but primarily I'm an ornithologist. My passion for many years has been birds and the study of birds. The class I teach in the summer is called Appalachian Fauna. All of my upper division classes spend about 50% of their class time outside. This one is an exception in that the whole class is outside. We focus over the 5 weeks on various vertebrate groups, but we throw in butterflies as well. You can't overlook butterflies. They're obvious, they're spectacular, and they're all about us. This particular day, we're going to go out and do some electrofishing. Now, electrofishing is an interesting kind of thing for us to do because it's a way of sampling relatively shallow bodies of water where you get to see most of the fish species that occur there. And you're doing it not by attracting fish to a bait, but by putting an electric charge into the water, a DC current, that puts their muscles into tetanus. So for a few seconds or a few minutes, they can't swim. They lose all equilibrium. And my students will be scooping them up in hand nets. We'll have a blocking seine downstream that once we get to that, we'll pick up the seine and sort the fish, put them in plastic bags so that we can pass them around and look at their field marks, talk about their ecology, and some about their anatomy, and some about the way they work, what they do, what their specialties are, what niche they fill.
Oh, you got a new meadow.
Oftentimes we find other things. If we see birds along the stream or hear them, we'll point those out. If a butterfly flies by, like a eastern tiger swallowtail, the big yellow and black butterfly, that'll be pointed out. And we'll look under rocks and other cover objects and occasionally find something like a northern water snake in this stream, or the queen snake, the two snakes we would most expect to find here.
Why wouldn't anyone want to come to ETSU and do this?